Hello guys, welcome back to Braysh Gaming today, and today we're talking about something that happened in my last stream, okay? Usually, Japanese Pokemon cards get a lot of praise for their high quality and really good pulls, actually. But just lately, there's been talk that because they've printed so much with VMAX, Climax and other sets, like the 25th anniversary set, are those standards slipping somewhat? We've seen some print lines recently, especially with VMAX Climax, but in my last box of S9 Starbirth, we have had something new to worry about. Crimpled cards? So yes guys, we actually had some crimpled cards. I've never seen anything like this before. I've opened up many boxes of Japanese cards. In fact, I've not really had any print lines prior to the last couple of months. But this is the first time I've ever really seen crimpled cards. In English we see off-center cards and stuff like that all the time, but it's very rare for that to happen in Japanese. Let me know what you think of these and if you've had a similar experience, because I don't think this is that common. Anyway, take a look and see what you think. Can't wait to smell VMAX Climax. Yeah, when are you opening that up, Mert? Come on. February 13th. February 13th. Okay. Interesting. Was that card crimpled? Yeah. Yes. Oh my god. Well spotted. Hold on. I've never had a card like this. Let's finish this pack. Oh, look at his pack. Get out of here. Guys, we just pulled a crimpled card. I didn't even notice. God pack. Shaving in a crimpled card. Crimped alt art incoming. So many of you spotted that in the chat and I didn't. Don't know what to do with it. Do people collect these? What's the situation with these? Yeah, I mean, first print lines are now crimpled cards, you know? We'll put that one separate. And Mossy. Oh no. Oh no. Come on. Oh my god. A Burmy! Crimpled! A Yukamori crimpled card! Thank you for the link. I don't know what we're doing with them. Guys, I don't know. This is unprecedented. Ooh. Crimple. So much texture on this card. I've got two cards put to one side. I think this is... It's a crimp bucket. It's a crimp bucket hat. And there was nothing special in that particular pack as either. Have I missed any? Interesting. Crimping and easy. Braysh crimping. Oh my god, guys. The back one is crimped again. Man opens Pokemon cards with no luck, but crimped cards. It's really heavily crimped. It's Roseanne. Ask for a refund. Cubchew. Love that magma. Guys, it's Crimped again. Yeah, YouTube edit would be good. Every other pack has just got a crimped card in it. This is our 5th one. 5th one in one half. So a third. Let's see what it is. It adds to the excitement, right? We want like a good crimp card. Like maybe the actually it's an uncommon card, so I'm not sure which uncommon cards are the better ones. Yeah, I could actually make a whole crimp booster pack of this. Accidental god box. Has this box gone up because of the crimped cards? Was that the Oh my god, it's Cynthia. Oh my god. That's unreal. I can't believe that. Oh, damn. I think you only see like one of these once a box. I don't know, Simon. That's a good question. Up to 5 crimped cards and another half to go. This is so interesting. This box has got mad interesting. Oops, what am I doing? Cynthia, non-crippled. Oh, I said that. It's not. A second slightly crimpled Cynthia. That's a little crimple. That's not as crippled, but it's a mini crimp. I didn't think we'd see one. Another Cynthia. No, VMAX have gone. VMAXs have climaxed. V-Star have taken their place. Ooh, a Lapras crimp. For crimp number 7. Last 3 packs should get 2 V cards, really. That seems a bit weird to me. Did I get a crimp? I have not. So what do you guys think? We had some fantastic crimpled cards, I have to say. They all came in one booster box. I opened up 5 on stream. They all came in the same one. Both sides, actually. Very, very crimpled. And yeah, we got some good ones. Got Cynthia, got the Ultra Ball, and the Yukimori card as well. So let me know what you guys think. Are the Japanese standards slipping at the minute? Do they need to sort themselves out a bit? Is this a one-off? You guys let me know if you've seen anything else similar to this in Japanese, because I don't think I have yet. But yeah, very unusual. Keep an eye out on those S9 boxes and let me know if you do see anything. Until then, guys, peace.